Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Tierra and I always get questions about my hair. How do I maintain the length and the health of my hair? So I just wanted to give you guys some of my tips and just answer a couple of questions that I get about my hair. One question that I always get is how often do I trim and straighten my hair? So I trim my hair only when it's straight, and I straighten my hair about twice a year. So typically in the fall and then around my birthday or right before like the real spring and hot months hit. So between like March and February is when I straighten my hair. So those are the two times that I do get my ends trimmed. I recently got my ends trimmed and they're looking pretty good. I only allow my aunt to trim my ends because she's a beast, and I don't really trust other people with trimming my ends. Every time I have entrusted other people, when I go back curly, I don't like how my hair lays. So my aunt, she knows what she's doing when she trims my ends. Once I go back curly, my hair be popping curly and straight. So that's that. Okay, right into the 5 tips. My battery's dying, so I'm trying to hurry up and rush through this as quick as possible. My first tip is to always use a wide tooth comb. Like always, like when your hair is straight, when your hair is curly. I think sometimes people think like, oh, my hair is straight, I can use this skinny tooth comb. No, so your hair still gets tangled when it's straight too. So you always want to go in with a wide tooth comb so you're not like literally raking your hair out. So that's tip number 1. Tip number 2 is to always use a serum. So my ends, they do get a little, not dry, but tangled like throughout the day, I guess because of the length of my hair. So I like to use this serum. I think it's the Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum, and basically what it does is it smooths and conditions the hair just like a very little bit, smaller than a dime size. A very little bit goes a long way. So I just rub it into my ends, and it's easier for me to comb out my hair without like breaking my strands. So that's tip number 2. I only use it at night when I'm about to like wrap my hair up. That goes right into the 3rd tip, which is at night. At night I do not like just lay down on my hair. I do make sure that I'm wrapping it like a regular wrap, or I'll either put my hair like in a, basically I just put it into a tight bun toward the back, and I secure it with a satin scrunchie, and I just put my scarf on top and go to sleep with it that way. It gives me these natural like wavy type curls in the morning, and yeah, I'm cool with that. So this time I always only put heat in my hair one time, once maybe twice. So this time I did do it twice, but it was like the first day I put curls in my hair, and then like 3 weeks later when my hair was like completely dirty when I put more heat in my hair. So I asked you guys, like, should I do curls or should I do it straight this time? And I'm so glad I listened to you guys and did curls, because literally my hair was curly for like a week, and then the curls just dropped and my hair was like bone straight. So it was like I got the best of both worlds. So that was perfect for me. So I did put heat in my hair again when my hair was dirty, because I feel like it's stronger when it's dirty, I guess, or there's so much, I don't know, build up that the possibility of it getting heat damage is kind of slim. I did also apply heat, heat spray before going in with the curling iron again, but even then my curls didn't even stay. So, okay, so my battery died, so let me be quick. The last thing is my hair, skin, and nail vitamins. I always encourage you guys to use a hair supplement. Ours is all natural, and I'm actually doing a giveaway right now. So if you're interested in joining my giveaway, you'll be receiving a free sample. This is like a 30-day supply of our hair, skin, nail vitamins. It's brand new. So if you're interested in participating in the giveaway, definitely leave a comment below, and I don't want you guys to leave your email address in the comments, so you can shoot me an email and just say that I want to enter the giveaway, and that way I can get in contact with you directly if you win. So definitely go ahead and do that. I love this supplement. It is all natural. It does not break me out. I never get any breakouts from it. I am not using it currently, for those who are pregnant and wondering like, does she use it during her pregnancy? The only reason why I'm not using it is because I have not consulted with my OBGYN to see if it's okay to use, but my hair is shedding like crazy right now, so I am about to get a protein treatment tomorrow actually, and I will be using them while breastfeeding when I have the baby, because I know that I suffered from postpartum shedding like around my edges really bad when I was pregnant, and I don't want that to happen again. So I hope that these tips helped you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. Bye.